It's actually 11 p.m. right now. One lecture, the electricity. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the story of how I started to learn to code, the challenges I have faced so far, and the resources that have helped me to get where I am today. So let's dive in. Actually, I have written down my script again, and so I'm going to read that. So I am sorry if I look into my screen like this again and again. Sorry for that. But in future, I will remember my script. So let's dive in. Number one, why I decided to start coding. So to be honest, I never thought of becoming a coder. Once me and my brother, we were just talking, and we didn't knew that we are on the same path. We both somewhere want to become an entrepreneur. We both are pursuing entrepreneurship. So one day we were just talking, and somehow we get to know that we both want to become entrepreneur. And then we were talking it, and uh, only 2 or 3 months were left for my school to be completed. And then I told him, hey, I will do all the technical stuff. I will learn the code. I will play with technology. I'll learn about AI, and you focus on your stuff, whatever you are doing, marketing, all the things, sales, negotiation. Okay, and that's where I started thinking about coding, and I grasped the knowledge everywhere. From that moment, I decided to learn to code. However, I think this reason is not solely enough strong for me to start learning coding. So even before starting, I went to find out my why to learn coding, why to even get into this field. So after searching into myself, like introspecting, writing down everything and looking for everything, I have found my all whys. Why should I do it? And new one is my YouTube channel. So for this I have to do it. I have always been curious about everything, from the beginning of the universe and the future we humans are gonna build, from history to science to philosophy to entrepreneurship to technology, everything. After exploring several options, I realized coding is not just about building apps and websites, but it's all about solving problems, which I love to do. Number two, how I took the first step. I started by searching online for beginner friendly courses for people who want to learn about coding. After some trial and error, I came across a course which is available on Coursera called Python for Everybody by Charles Severin, the professor of University of Michigan. I'll share the link in the description box. It's built for absolute beginners who want to learn what coding actually is, what is programming, what is a program, what even a computer is. This course start from there and help you to learn the basics of the basics. There were 5 videos in it, so I completed one, and after that I searched for Python course from beginner to advanced. I came across a course called 100 Days of Code from Code with Harry, and I looked at his videos and his way of teaching, and I found it pretty impressive. I'll also share the link of this course in the description. If you want to check it, you can check it out. I am on a day 42 right now, and this course seems pretty good, which is often recommended for beginners. It seems like a great place to start. Number 3, challenges I have faced so far. Learning coding wasn't as easy as I thought. At first, the syntax felt like a new language, because it is a new language. Downloading code editor, packages, languages, it took me 3 to 4 days to completely set up my laptop for coding environment. I also struggled with debugging my code, but gradually I learned to Google everything. The biggest challenge with this, no matter you are doing coding, you are doing your work, you are doing your study, anything, you have to stay consistent, and that is the biggest part. But I am working on it, and I think I am pretty consistent with this. Number 4, resources that helped me. At first I started with Python for everybody, then I went on YouTube and searched for courses, and and if you are learning Python like me, the channel called Tech with the Team, this is an amazing channel. You have to check it out if you really want to build something with it. There are many other people like Tech with Team, David Ondrej, and biggest coding community called Free Code Camp. They have over 10 million subscribers on YouTube, and they upload a lot of content about coding, even entrepreneurship. Number 5, the lessons learned so far. One thing I have learned from coding is you need patience. You need it. When you are writing code and you just get stuck, like the way I am getting stuck right now, just brain fog, nothing in my brain. And it happens when you are writing the code. You don't know what to do next, and you take a step back and think what to do, what in which way I can write this code so the desired output that I want will come. So you need patience with it. And number 2, problem solving. Coding is all about problem solving. How you can use technology to solve problems that we face in our daily life. Coding is all about it. So that's my journey so far. If you are also learning to code and thinking about starting to learn code, let me know in the comment box. I would love to hear your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Make sure you are subscribed. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys.